Yeah, hello and welcome. Dance in the Tesla seat. You can get this from a bag or from other heavy things, from safety children's seats and so on. It's the same process on a vinyl than on the real leather. We will use a heat gun with a hairdryer. It works also, but it's very slowly in compare. I recommend to use a hairdryer, but be careful, don't burn the leather. And how it works, I will show you now. I recommend to use 250 degrees roundabout, because then you have round about 150 on the surface, what is not too hot. And if you have a heat gun with 1, 2, 3, then it's mostly the second point. So on 2 you have round about 250, 300 degrees, what is fine for this. And then also what makes sense, that you go with your hands over it, that you don't heat it and don't burn the leather. So 250, 260 degrees, and around about one hand distance between. Sometimes I go a little bit closer, but always I use also my hands to feel how hot the surface is, that I don't burn it. And it makes sense to do between the massage. And if you have the feeling nothing goes forward, then let it cool down and start again, because the heating process is the main thing what helps to reduce the dents. That's all.